Hello everyone, welcome to the next video. Observe the design carefully and plan accordingly from where we have to start. First of all, enter into the isometric mode. Object snap settings, snap and grid, isometric snap, OK. So make sure that ortho is on. From here I am starting. What is the line length? Line length 26. 26. What is the bottom distance? 8. We have now you are in this position. From here to here, what is the distance that is given to us? 72. Okay. Upside 8. What is the distance from here to here? Total distance is 72. 72 minus 26 plus 8. 72 minus 26 minus 8. That means 38. So what is the top distance from here? From bottom to topmost position is 72 is given to us. So we have to decrease this value. We have to subtract this value. 72 minus 8, that means distance is 64. Then distance is 8. So we have completed this sketch. Now change the plane by clicking on the F5. F5. So what is the distance from here to here? 38. Thirty. So we have drawn this one also. So this is the parallel edges now. So first of all, draw this edge. What is the distance? 30. Change the plane F5. What is the distance? 8. 30. While we are drawing, make sure that ortho is on. So these are all parallel edges. So simply use the command copy. Use the command copy. Enter from here to here. Okay. Then again I am using the command copy to copy this edge along this plane. Along this plane. These are all parallel edges, so we'll get the resultant correct only. Again, I am using the copy. I'm copying this edge from here to OK. Then opposite side also we are doing the same thing. Modify, copy from this edge to this edge. Okay. Similarly, so then we have to calculate this web thickness from where we have to place this stiffener. So what is the distance from here? The distance is 15. Here is 15 and the web thickness of 19. So 30, total distance is 30, width is 30. 30 minus 15 plus 4 means 19. Then the distance from the opposite side, from this side to this side is 11. So I am using the line command. I'm giving the value 11. So now I am here at that position. What is the distance? What is the height of that one? 48. So what is the thickness? 4. Okay. So from here, what is the distance? What is the width of this one? From here it is 12. From in this from here, this distance is 15. 15. How to draw this one from here at this position? So use the command copy only. Copy. I'm copying this edge from here to in this direction. What is that distance? 15. Okay. Then from here 4. Sorry. Modify. Copy. 15 distance. Okay. From here 19 distance that is given to us. Now later on from here, what is the distance that is given to us? Modify, copy. Copy this edge in this direction. I'm changing the plane F5. So what is the 8? 8 is my. So trim the unwanted portions. Then what we have to do? We have to join these with the line command. Make sure that ortho is off in that situation. Okay. Now use the command copy from here to here. Okay. Thereafter, observe the sketch carefully and trim the unwanted portions. TR double enter. This one I don't need. This one also I don't need. This one also I don't need. These are all the opposite edges, so I don't need all those things. These are all hidden edges. So in this fashion, we have completed this stiffener. Okay. Then in the opposite side, there is a through hole. Through hole, what is the thickness? What is the diameter? 12 diameter and 20 diameter. Where we have to keep that center point from the vertical in this direction. It is not mentioned anywhere where it is exact. So we will take it as center. Take it as center. That means 30 means 15. At 15 we have to draw this circle. Thereafter, from this vertical line, what is the distance that is given to us? 90. So use the command copy. Copy from here. Make sure that ortho is on. In this direction, what is the thickness? 90. 90. Similarly, I am using the command copy from here in the opposite direction. It is at midpoint now. So the point, modify, copy, give the direction in this direction. 15. Why I am drawn 15 only? It is the midpoint. 2 by 2 is 15. So this is the center point. This is the center point to draw this ellipse. To draw this ellipse. So how I am going to draw this ellipse? Ellipse. Go to ISO circle. This is my center point. The point where it intersects both the lines. That is the distance is 12 radius. 12 diameter is 6 diameter. Another one I am repeating that ellipse. ISO circle. It is the radius 10 diameter. So what is the height of this one? What is the height of this one? 10. 10 is the height. So modify, copy, make sure that both the centers are selected, both the circles. In the vertical edge, we have to change the plane. What is the thickness? 10. Okay, so we can trim these lines. We can trim these lines. TR, double enter. This one I don't need. This one also I don't need. This one also I don't need. These are all hidden edges. So we can trim it out. If you have any doubt, you can check the design, and as per the design, you can trim those things. We have to trim all those things by observing the design carefully. So this one also I don't need. After completion, by using the post-snap settings, join quadrant to quadrant. The sketch is completed now. Thereafter, give the dimensions. Modify aligned dimension from here to here. What is the distance that is given? That's 72. Aligned dimension from here to here. What is the distance? 730. Modify aligned dimensions from here to here 15. Similarly, modify aligned dimensions. Aligned dimensions. What is the web thickness of this one? 8. Okay. Then what is the thickness of this stiffener? Modify dimension, aligned dimension from here to here 4. Okay. What is the total distance? Linear from here to bottom 72. So these dimensions are given almost. So we have to do the oblique command. Use the command oblique, select the object, enter in this direction. Similarly, dimension oblique, select the dimension, enter. For suppose if I want in the horizontal direction, it will be like this. Similarly, dimension oblique, select that along in that direction 15. Okay, dimension oblique, enter along this or vertical direction. Okay, then use the command multi-leader MLD to select these radiuses. What is the radius of this circle? 12 diameter. Similarly, MLD multi-leader. Now, what is the radius of this circle? 20 diameter. Simply write it down like that. Click on the outer surface, then it will be locked out. So in this fashion, we have completed this sketch. So first of all, design should be carefully observed, followed by planning from where we have to start all those things. Then it becomes very easy. Very easy. So dimension aligned from here to here. So 48 that is given to us. Okay, modify oblique, select the object, enter in that direction. Okay, thank you.